Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Tohman Salahuddinov and I'm a junior data scientist. Now I'm gonna show you my assignment. Okay, what this assignment is about. In this project, I explore how modern AI models like LLMs work. So I did three main things. The first of all, I compared the ChatGPT, Cloud, and Gemini as a normal random users. And the second one, I compared their APIs using the Postman. And the third one, I explored the difference between generative AI and AI agents. The first of all, as I said, I comparing LLMs as a random user. I asked all three models the same exactly questions. The first question is about like what is AI, and the second question is write a short poem about technology, and the third one explains the quantum computing simply. Honestly, they're all of them is just a random questions. So then I look at how clearly creative and correct their answers were. And here their results. I divide by three parts, like columns, models, good points, and their weak points. ChatGPT is honestly, ChatGPT is very smart and really accurate sometimes, but their weak point is sometimes it's too much formal. And the cloud like feels natural and friendly. It's really different compares to ChatGPT, but sometimes it's really cautious about like information. And Gemini AI is really creative and linked with Google and some kind of photos. It's really good, honestly. But sometimes can be wrong. Honestly, it's a new model, so that kind of things is normal, I think. Let's move on to the next part. The next part is using APIs using APIs in a Postman. Honestly, I don't know about any information about JSON before creating this project. So the first of all, what is a API? API stands for like application programming interface. In simple terms, a way for programs to talk to each other. Like simple definition is an API is a set of rules that lets one program request information or services from another programming and get a response. So then I tried to check how these models work developers using APIs, and I read the documentation for ChatGPT, Cloud, and Gemini, and I tested their Postman using post requests with JSON, and I learned what kind of data they return and how easily they are to use. And they are comparison, you can see that, and as well as I divided by three parts. Again, API ease of use and what makes it special. ChatGPT is very easy to use and also simple setup and many models. Cloud is honestly it's about like medium level and understands the long test well. So Gemini is a bit harder, works with the Google tools and also, as I said, images. So now we are finding this question to answer. Generative AI or AI agents. Generative AI creates content like text, code, images, or whatever. For example, like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, all of them is generative AI. AI agents can plan and do tasks by themselves. An example like AutoGPT, Devin AI, or ChatGPT agents, and generative AI writes while AI agents. And quick comparison features features our main goal and generative AI and AI agents. Generative AI create a new content. AI agents do tasks automatically. Needs human help. Generative AI is definitely yes, but AI agents not always. And also how it works. Generative AI using training data to generative text, but AI agent using AI and tools and also memory. Examples, as I said, generative AI, ChatGPT, Cloud, and AI agent is AutoGPT and Devin AI. So what I learned this assignment. I learned how to compare all models as a user, as a developer. I practiced using Postman and reading APIs documentation, and also I understand how generative AI and AI agents are different. This is a very great way to learn how AI tools really work. And thank you for your attention. If you want to know about more information, check this site, tohrmalik.site, and here my LinkedIn ID, Tohrmalik Salahuddin. Thank you for your attention.